Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best glues for wood that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Gorilla Heavy Duty Construction Adhesive. If you're tired of trim that won't stay put, Gorilla's Heavy Duty Construction Adhesive rises above the rest. This hybrid formula grabs in 30 seconds, which means you're not standing there like a statue holding baseboards against drywall forever. Here's the thing, it's 100% waterproof, so bathroom trim, exterior wood, vinyl, all fair game. Apply it in a zigzag pattern, press within 10 minutes, and you're done. Obviously, full cure takes 24 hours. Heavy pieces still need temporary support. It won't bond polypropylene or polyethylene plastics, so keep that in mind. Otherwise, grab the cartridge. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Franklin International 2404 Titebond Wood Molding Glue. Trim work with wood calls for a glue that actually behaves on vertical surfaces. Here's the thing, most glues drip, slide, and embarrass you mid-project. Titebond's wood molding glue doesn't. Its no-run, no-drip formula grips immediately, which matters enormously when you're pressing crown molding overhead and can't hold it forever. You get fast initial tack, a clear dry, and a finish-compatible bond that won't fight your paint or stain. Obviously, it's not water-resistant, so keep it indoors. This one's for you if you're tackling baseboards, chair rails, or cabinet trim and want zero drama. At number 3, we have the Loctite Power Grab Express All-Purpose Construction Adhesive. Loctite Power Grab is honestly the most versatile pick on this entire list. You're dealing with a synthetic latex formula that bonds wood, vinyl cove base, drywall, cork, ceramic, and concrete. Basically everything except mirrors and glass. Here's the thing, it grabs instantly, gives you 15 minutes to reposition, and fully cures in 12 hours. Obviously, that repositioning window is a lifesaver when you're running trim solo. It's water-based, low odor, and cleans up with soap and water. This one's for you if you're tackling mixed materials around the house and want one reliable tube handling everything. At number 2, we have the Titebond 4Oz PVC Trim Joint Adhesive. Working with PVC trim for miter joints, scarf joints, or column wraps demands an adhesive engineered specifically for the job. Obviously, generic wood glue won't cut it here. Titebond's PVC trim joint adhesive is that specialized solution. Here's the thing, it bonds instantly, cures fully in 8 hours, and dries completely clear, so your joints stay clean and professional looking. It's 100% waterproof, meaning exterior applications won't rattle your confidence when rain hits. The 60,000 CPS viscosity keeps it where you put it. If you're tackling PVC trim work specifically, this one's practically a no-brainer. Grab it. And finally, at number 1, we have the Loctite Power Grab Ultimate Construction Adhesive. Need something that grabs instantly and never lets go? Loctite Power. Grab Ultimate is your answer. 0-second tack means you're not standing there holding trim against a wall like a mannequin for 20 minutes. It sets in 10, fully cures in 24, and works on basically everything. Wood, vinyl, PVC, tile, concrete, foam, metal, glass. Here's the thing, it's crystal clear, solvent-free, and Green Guard certified, so you're not fumigating your garage. Obviously, 2.7 ounces won't finish a whole house, but for targeted repairs or small trim jobs, this one's your low-hassle, high-confidence grab. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.